Is your iPhone Safari Clear History button mocking you with its stubborn grayed out status? Let's fix that. First, head to your iPhone settings app, give that gear icon a tap. Scroll down until you find screen time and tap on it. Now, look for content and privacy restrictions and select that option. This is a common culprit. At the top, make sure the content and privacy restrictions toggle is switched to off gray. If it's green, tap it to disable it. This single step solves the problem for most users. Now, quickly jump back to your Safari settings by going back to Settings, scroll down and choose Safari. Once there, check if Clear History and website data is still grayed out. If it is, keep watching. Return to the main settings menu and find General, tap that, then find Date and Time. We need to ensure your iPhone's date and time are set correctly. Make sure the Set Automatically toggle is switched on green. If it's off, toggle it on. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes interfere with Safari's functionality. If the button is still grayed out after doing this, navigate back to Safari. In Settings, scroll down and select Advanced. Tap Website Data. If there is a large amount of data listed here, tap Remove All Website Data at the bottom of the screen. It might take a minute to clear. Finally, go back to the main Safari settings screen and give Clear History and website data a try. It should now be clickable, allowing you to clear your browsing history and regain control of your privacy.